Okay, right now we're in a 2019 Chevy Malibu, and it's an all keys lost situation. See, when I press the start button, no key detected. Place key in console to start vehicle. So all keys are lost. Right now I'm going to be programming this Autel, or not Autel, I said Autel, Autel, one second. I'm going to be programming this Autel universal key to work for the car, and as you can see, nothing, no register in it. So we're going to place it in here, and then we're going to program it. So we're going to go out of here, go to programmer, accept, we're going to go to universal key generation, North America. That's where we at. We're gonna look for Chevy right there, type by model. I'm looking for Malibu. I'm looking for 2019. Nigger our key right there. So this is for 2017 through 21. And then we're just gonna hit generate universal key. Connecting to network to get permission, detecting universal key, acquiring universal key information. Please wait. Universal key has now been generated, completed. Now, escape. Now we're gonna go to emo. Accept, Chevy. I'm gonna go to manual selection, USA, Malibu, 2017 to 23, smart key. Yes, it's a smart key. Yes. Gonna go to, let's go to control unit, read and mobilize the password reading. So now as you can see, the dash came on. I don't think the alarm is active, so that's good. That is good. Establishing vehicle connection, reading PIN, please wait. Okay, 4953 is the PIN. So we want to escape. Keyless system. Let's look at the number of smart keys that's on here. Oh, okay. So it's 4 on here, meaning somebody probably lost some keys, because usually it's only 2 with vehicles. So they probably had another locksmith out here. However, we're here now, so we're gonna add smart key. Please press the start stop button once. 1. Okay. Place the smart key to be learned to the key slot and take other keys out of the vehicle. So now I have to place it into the slot. It's down here. Okay. So now we put it in there. That's okay. Okay. Okay, establishing vehicle. Please switch the ignition off. Configuring the system, please wait 5 seconds. Configuring the system, please wait 12 minutes. I'm gonna come back when 12 minutes has happened, y'all. Okay, we back from that 12-minute wait. Establishing vehicle communication. Second arm. Please press the start-stop button once. 1. Now it says ready for remote 5. Press OK. Configuring the system. Please wait 10 seconds. On the thing it says ready for remote 6. Configuring the system. Please wait 10 seconds. The current key is complete the matching. Do you want to match the key? The current key is complete the matching. Do you want to match the key, next key? Yeah, that doesn't make sense, but I get what they're trying to say. No. Please switch the ignition off. Switch the ignition off. Press the start-stop button for 12 seconds. So I'm gonna hold it, and it's gonna be counting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the start-stop button. I did. Press OK. Configuring the system. Please wait 5 seconds. Please long press the start-stop button to turn the ignition on until the instrument light illuminates. There we go. Illuminated. Establishing vehicle communication. Please switch the ignition off. Depress and hold the brake pedal. Press the start-stop button to start the engine and wait for 5 seconds. Start it up. Configuring the system. Please wait 5 seconds. Please switch the ignition off. Switch the ignition off. Stop the engine. Open and close the driver door. Remove the smart key. Press lock and unlock. Open and close. Open, close. So I did that. Remove the smart key. Press the lock and unlock buttons at the same time, and then release both. So now I gotta dig in here for this key, which is right here. We're gonna press both of them at the same time. I'm gonna set the phone down so I could do this. Actually, no, let's try it. Press OK. No. Number of match keys, 5. Okay, matching complete. Let's test it out. Oh, exiting system. It unlocks, locks, trunk. Let's see.